Hi, just wanted to share this quick video about these two units that I bought online, and one of them it came defective, so it wasn't charging and I wasn't able to open it, to lit it up. So I'll show you the difference between the one working and charging and the one that didn't work and wasn't charging. So please watch carefully so you'll see the difference in the lighting. So enjoy. Even with the USB-C plugged in, the lights are all on, which means defective. So this one doesn't work. Plugged in. See the red light over here means it's charging, but nothing happens on the unit. And if you want me to open it, it's on, off, on, nothing.